Good day my good friends, in this video I will show you how to turn off the alarm on Casio W800H. So first let's take a look at the top right portion. There are three indicators for the alarms: snooze, alarm and signal. And then let's move to the alarm mode. Press the mode button on the bottom left once. Okay, now we are in the alarm mode, and as you can see here, this is the signal 00 minutes without the hour. So if you want to turn off the signal, press the adjust button once, and if you want to turn it on again, press the adjust button again. So now we want to turn it off, just press again the adjust button like this. Okay, and we want to cycle to the next item, the alarm. So press this one, the bottom right button. As you can see, it shows the hour and minute, meaning this is the alarm. So to turn off this one, you can press the adjust button on the top left like this. So it will cycle through which features are active. So it's going to be alarm, alarm with snooze, or off. So now we want to set it as off. And now to return to the timekeeping mode, we can press the mode button. Okay, and as you can see, the indicators are off: snooze, alarm and signal. And now you have your W800H without alarms. Okay, that's all. Hopefully this is useful, and see you again in the next video. Bye.